book club. So today I'm here with this trilogy that will interest most of you because this is a very famous trilogy and also it's a very interesting one. So this is mostly famous for its movie series. As you might know, this is a very world popular movie series. Also, the book series is also very famous because of the movie series. So, here we go. 3, 2, 1. This is The Hunger Games. So, we have the box set here. I'm giving you a view of the books. So, it's just the Hunger Games logo. And we have this side, the 3 books. So, this series is very interesting. It's written by Suzanne Collins and let me read you the review. I've actually read this series online and I have watched the movie series, but the thing is, I haven't read this actual book yet. So before reading, I wanted to show it to you. So, I mean, the online book is the same thing, but then again, it's kind of interesting when you read it with your hands. Yeah, read it with your hands. Scan. I know. So here's the Hunger Games. And let me read the intro. May the odds be in your favor. Winning will make you famous. Losing means certain death. In a dark vision of the near future, 12 boys and 12 girls are forced to appear in a live TV show called The Hunger Games. There is only one rule. Kill or be killed. I know, very interesting. Kind of like my vibe. But it's not be killed, it's kill. When 16-year-old Katniss Everdeen steps forward to take her sister's place in the games, she sees it as a certain death sentence. But Katniss has been close to death before. For her, survival is a second nature. So, the smell of new books is there. I really love the smell of new books. So, it's really interesting to read when it's new. Anyways, maybe keep it over here. Catching Fire, Book 2. May the odds be ever in your favor. Katniss Everdeen survived the Hunger Games. Now the capital wants revenge. Against all odds, Katniss Everdeen and Peter Mellark are still alive. Katniss should be relieved, but now there are whispers of a rebellion against the capital. A rebellion that Katniss and Peter may have helped create. As the nation watches Katniss and Peter, the stakes are higher than ever. One false move and the consequences will be unimaginable. So let me honestly tell you, so when I went through the main character page in the online reading section, so when I saw the name Peter, I thought that it was a girl because, it's kind of weird to name a guy like that, so. Mockingjay. May the odds be ever in your favor. If we burn, you burn with us. Katniss Everdeen has survived the Hunger Games twice, but she's still not safe. A revolution is unfolding, and everyone, it seems, has had a hand in the carefully laid plans. Everyone except Katniss. And yet she must play the most vital part in the final battle. Katniss must become their Mockingjay, the symbol of rebellion, no matter what the personal cost. So, I like these logos, and here is a view to you of the book set. So, usually I tell you to read the book, before watching the movie, or if you watch the movie, read the book. But this time I'm telling you to watch the movies because it's so interesting, literally really interesting. So, here we have the set of series, and next time I'll make sure that I'll review it to you. So make sure you subscribe, leave a comment, and like my videos, and watch all the other videos that I have uploaded. So see you next day. Bye!